Hello, welcome again to my channel, Second Matter, the solution to your math problems. This is General Mathematics, November-December 2024. Objective question 13. Now, the interior angles of a pentagon have been given. So these are the interior angles of this pentagon. 3x, 4x, x on 2, x on 3, and then 5x degrees. So we have our pentagon here. So starting with the first interior angle, 3x degrees, we have 4x degrees as the second interior angle. The third interior angle, we have x on 2 degrees. The fourth interior angle, x on 3 degrees. And then the last interior angle, 5x degrees. Now we have to correct to the nearest degree, the size of the smallest angle. We want the size of the smallest angle. So to get the size of the smallest angle, let's first find the value of x. Let's find the value of x. So now, what is the sum of the interior angle of a regular polygon? We know this formula. So n minus 2 multiplied by 180, where n refers to the number of sides. Since it is a pentagon, it has 5 sides, so meaning that n is 5. So let's substitute 5 into the formula. 5 minus 2, 3, then 3 times 180, that is 540. So it means that the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon should be equal to 540 degrees. So when we sum up the 5 interior angles of this pentagon, it should be equal to 540 degrees. So let's do that. So starting with 5x. So 5x plus 3x plus 4x plus x on 2 plus x on 3 as we equal to 540. So now what is 5x plus 3x plus 4x plus half x plus 1/3 x? So let's focus on the coefficients of the variable. So 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 on 2 plus 1 on 3. We have 77 on 6. You can now attach the variable x, and this must be equal to 540. So we are looking for x. So what do? We can multiply each term by the LCM. So let's multiply each term by the LCM. So the LCM here is 6. So let's multiply each term by the LCM. Now we know the LCM here as 6. So 6 multiplying 77 on 6x, this should be equal to 6 multiplying 540. So what happens? We see that six can cancel out. 6 can cancel out 6, leaving, let me get space here, leaving 77x is equal to, what is 6 multiplied by 5/4? So we have 3240. We are looking for x. So we can divide each term by 77. So we have x as 3240 divided by 77. 42.0779. But we have to correct to the nearest degree. So to the nearest degree, x measures 42. X measures 42. Now, we are looking for the size of the smallest angle. Size of the smallest angle. So how do we get the size of the smallest angle? So looking at the expressions for the interior angle of the pentagon, which expression will give us the smallest angle? 3x, 4x, x on 2, x on 3, and then 5x. So all these are whole numbers. Yes, they are whole numbers, but let's focus on the fraction. Obviously, the fraction will give us the smallest measure of the angle, but x on 2 and then x on 3, which of them is the least? So half x and then 1/3 x. So it is clear that 1/3 x is the smallest expression. 1/3 x is the smallest expression. So because of that, that will give us the smallest angle. But what is the value of x? We want the actual measure. So what is the value of x? We know the value of x as 42. X is 42. So let's substitute 42 in place of x. 1/3 multiplied by 42. What's the answer? 1/3 multiplied by 42. So we have 14 degrees. 14 degrees. So what should be the answer? So the right answer is option D. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching.